Hello everyone, I am Jurian Proctuso Havana and we are the reporter of the Divine Comedy. So, the Divine Comedy is written by the Italian poet Dante Alighieri between 1308 and 1321. Is one of the greatest and most influential narrative poem in world literature. It is a fictional account of the author journey through the Christian and afterlife, which is composed of three realms, which is hell, purgatory, and paradise. So first is hell. Dante finds himself lost in the forest, symbolizing sin. He attacked by three beasts, leopard, lion, and she-wolf, representing different sin. He is rescued by Virgil, who has been sent by Beatrice from heaven. Together, they sin through the nine celestial of hell, were sold and punished according to severity of their sin. Together, they sin to the ninth circle of hell, where souls are punished according to the severity of their sin. First is limbo, virtuous non-Christians. Second is lash, blown around by wind. Third is gluttony, lie in vile slash. And wrath, fight on the river Styx. And six is heresy, and trap in the burning dumps. Seven is violence, divided into three rings: violence against others, self, and God. And eight is rogue. 10 ditches with the virus deceivers. So 9 is trickery, a frozen lake or traitors. At the bare bottom is Lucifer or Satan, trapped in the ice and internal chewing of the three worst traitor: Judas, Brutus, and Cassius.
Good evening, everyone. Good evening, Mom. I am the next reporter. My topic is all about Purgatorio or Purgatory. And, okay, Purgatorio or Purgatory. Dante and Virgil arrive at the mouth of Purgatory, where souls undergo purification before entering heaven. And this is where souls who have repented their sins undergo cleansing before entering heaven. So, at the top in the earthly paradise, Garden of Eden, Dante is reunited with Beatrice, so who takes over as his guide, which is his childhood love and muse, who represent divine revelation. So, dili nakauban si Virgil sa heaven, gitik over na niya kang Beatrice. So, let's go to Paradiso or heaven. So Beatrice guides Dante through the nine celestial spheres of heaven where the blessed reside. So, guided by Beatrice, Dante ascends through the nine celestial spheres of heaven. So, associated with planets and virtues, here the meets blessed souls and gains deeper understanding of divine truth. So this number 1 is moon. A moon is a constant souls, those who broke vows. So number 2, Mercury. Ambitious souls did good frame. good fame. So Venus, lovers. Sun, the wise. Mars, warriors of the faith. So Jupiter, just rulers. Saturn, contemplatives. So 8, fixed stars, saints and the Virgin Mary. So the 9 is a premium mobile, the angels and the source of motion.